Yeah, coming to here. What is the meaning of the pedal? Pedal means to sell. Okay. Steward. Steward means manage or look after. Append. Append means set or turn something on its end or upside down. Husband. Husband means generally one meaning which we know, husband, that is general meaning. The other meaning of husband is one who uses resources economically. Okay, so that is what generally husbands will do. Okay. Procure. Procure means obtain something especially with care or effort. Now coming to grief. What is meant by grief? Grief is nothing but intense sorrow, especially caused by someone's death. Gore. Gore means blood that has been shed, especially as a result of violence. As a result of violence. Carnage. Carnage means killing of large number of people. Anguish. Anguish means severe mental or physical pain or suffering. Fallacious. Fallacious means based on mistaken belief, which is nothing but false. Evolving. Evolving means develop gradually. Counterfactual. See here. Counterfactual. Factual means fact. Counterfactual means which is opposite to that. Expressing what has not happened. Vacillating. Vacillating means wavering between different opinions or actions. Okay. It means irresolute. They are not having one opinion. They'll keep on changing. Okay. Vacillating means. Tenacious. Tenacious means determined. Idealistic. Idealistic means these people think everything should be ideal, which is unrealistic. Okay. Unrealistically aiming for perfection. Dialectical. Relating to the logical discussion or ideas. Logical discussion of ideas and opinions. Contentious. Causing or likely to cause an argument, especially controversial. Quixotic. Extremely idealistic, unrealistic, impractical. Altruistic. Altruistic means unselfish. They are true to the people actually. Okay. Fledgling. Fledgling means inexperienced. Torpid. Torpid means mentally or physically inactive or lethargic. Lethargic means lazy. Novice means new, which is inexperienced. Lith. Lith generally used for dancing word. Actually, lith means especially of a person's body, thin, supple, and graceful. Paean. A song or of praise or triumph. Philippic. Philippic is very important word with respect to GRE. A bitter attack or denunciation, especially a verbal one. Tirade. A long angry speech of criticism or accusation. Panacea. Panacea is nothing but a solution or remedy for all difficulties or diseases. A cure for all. Panacea means a cure for all. Eulogy. Eulogy is nothing but praising. A speech or piece of writing that praises someone. Crescendo. Crescendo is increase in loudness or intensity. Crescendo means increase in loudness or intensity. Coming to flagging. Flagging means tired. Hail. Generally, this is used for the old people who are strong and healthy. Lissom is for a person's body thin, supple, and graceful. The other synonym for lissom is lith. Okay. Loathsome, causing hatred or disgust or repulsive. Loathsome is nothing but hate, strong hating. Okay. Vigorous, strong, healthy, and full of energy. Vigorous means strong, healthy, and full of energy. Enervated, weakened, or tired. Coming to paucity. Paucity means scarcity, the presence of something in only small amounts. Anomaly, deviates from what is standard or normal. Olio, A highly spiced stew of various meats and vegetables, means variety of mix varieties. Okay. Next, melange, a varied mixture. Dearth, the presence of something in only small amounts, again scarcity, lacking something. Pilfering means stealing something of little value. Stealing something of little value called as pilfering. The other word for it is pillage. Pillage is also gives the same meaning. Here, oleo and melange are two synonyms. Paucity and dearth are another synonym. Coming to bald. Bald means plain or blunt, open in a straightforward manner, telling something in a straightforward manner. Tacit is understood or implied without being stated. Simply you can say that something we are giving hints kind of stuff. Overt, done or shown openly, plainly apparent. Didactic, intended to teach, particularly in having moral instruction as an ulterior motive. It means something, some person is required to teach something, like for example, slow and steady wins the race. We'll take an example of tortoise. Okay, hare and tortoise, there tortoise wins. So to understand that story, someone has to tell how tortoise wins, some story, that kind of things we call it as didactic. Rhetorical, art of effective or persuasive speaking. Implicit, suggested though not directly expressed. It means here tacit and implicit are synonyms, bald and overt are another pair of synonym.